I want to become a physical therapist because I would like to provide equal opportunity for some people that may struggle financially and especially physically. I really think that that's what God wants in my life. There's so much power in assisting people and helping them, especially with physical struggles.
In the other classroom, we had the tables that were really close together, and we had chairs that we had to work around. Whenever we needed more tape or more materials, we had to go ask the teacher for it. And it was just a little inconvenient. But coming here, we have a lot more space in the middle where we can move around, and the booths are at like a perfect height where we can just tape people how it's supposed to be taped. And then we have the materials and stuff, everything that we need in the cupboards, so we can just grab it ourselves without having to disrupt and move around the classroom.
Here we have a brand new treadmill. The cool thing about this treadmill is it goes up to an 18 grade and even more than that, right? Yep. For most of our VO2 max testing, go up to 18 grade, which is actually pretty high. And then this goes extremely fast.
Yeah, it goes up to about 20 miles an hour, I believe. The whole point of doing all of these tests over here, you're able to see how well each individual person can handle oxygen. We monitor the heart rate while they're doing this, so you can see like how hard they are working and if they really did max out or not. We've been able to see a lot of really cool things done in this lab, and it's been really helpful for us.
What drew me to Bethel the most is the opportunity to mentor students and work alongside them and be hands-on. Something as simple as today in our athletic training class in lab, they were learning how to tear tape, which sounds silly and simple, but the joy on their faces when some of them finally were able to tear the tape was overwhelming.
I'm a double major with exercise science and intercultural studies. The dream would be to go coach soccer overseas, and then with my pursuit of athletic training, that would equip me to be able to assist my athletes in any situation. This new facility gives me a great opportunity to get hands-on work, whether it's practicing taping ankles, whether it's testing people on the treadmill, different things like that, just to expand my knowledge and also my interactions with people. And that's the hands-on work you get in this facility.
All four of our majors in the kinesiology department have some kind of field experience or internship opportunity, which has really prepared students to go on after Bethel for their careers or their professions.
I want to be an athletic trainer, so I've actually been accepted into grad school. I will be pursuing my master's of athletic training at Franklin College.